Hey everyone! Today we are opening the Dell Pro Max 14MC14250. You can find the full review on laptopmedia.com through the link below. Let's begin. First, loosen 8 screws and lift off the bottom cover. We use a JIS number 1 screwdriver. The screws are captive, so loosen them without removing them from the cover. Use a thin plastic tool to release the clips around the cover. Keep the tool shallow so it does not hit any internal part. The bottom cover is now removed. This battery connector comes first. Here is the installed SSD. The memory module is here. The processor sits under the heat pipe cooling system. Cooling uses a single fan. Dell lists Wi-Fi 6 EAX211 or Wi-Fi 7 BE201. This unit has BE201. Disconnect the battery cable by pulling it straight upward. Now remove the screws that secure the battery. This is a 72 watt-hour 4-cell lithium-ion polymer battery. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. To remove the SSD, first take off the metal EMI and RFI shield. It also works as a heatsink with thermal pads for both SSD sizes. The single M.2 slot supports 2230 and 2280 drives. Officially, capacity goes up to 512 GB or 2 TB. Our unit uses a 512 GB Kioxia BG6 NVMe SSD. Now we slide the SSD back into the slot. Now we remove the memory. This is not a standard SO-DIMM slot. It is an LPCAMM2 module, held by a 3-screw bracket. After the bracket comes off, lift the module carefully from the connector. Here, the module stays lightly caught in the bracket, so both lift together. Here is the underside of the memory module. Our unit has 16 GB of Micron LPDDR5X-CAMM2 memory. Dell supports one LPCAMM2 slot with 16, 32, or 64 GB running in dual channel at 7,467 mega transfers per second. Set the module carefully onto the connector plate. Then place the memory bracket over it and secure it with 3 M2x6 screws. First, seat the screws in their threads without tightening them. Then tighten them in the order marked on the bracket. The bracket also works as electromagnetic shielding. Put the SSD shield back in place. Finally, reinstall the battery and reconnect its cable. That was the inside of the Dell Pro Max 14 MC14250. For thermals, battery life, display quality, benchmarks, and upgrade notes, read the full review on laptopmedia.com. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.